Hello and welcome to another installment of Science Experiments with Jaimo and Ello. So what are we doing today?
Today I'm going to try and connect to a bird.
Connect to a bird, hey?
Make a bird caller to attract the attention of birds.
Experiment number 115. And so how do we do this?
Start off, we need a drinking straw
Yum.
and scissors to cut it.
Oh Jesus, giving her a scissors.
Okay, step 1. Squeeze the end of the drinking straw flat. Use the scissors to cut the flat end into a point. Oh wait, no.
Okay, so if you can't see there's the pointed straw. And step 2? No, step 3.
Put the pointed end in your mouth and blow hard. And a
That's what she
funny
said.
noise should come out.
We'll do it. That's a funny noise, alright. Right, try blowing in the other end. See what happens then.
Nothing.
So, what do you think about that? Is that experiment succeeded or experiment failed?
Oh, apparently a bird might look at me and think, what type of bird am I?
She's a chick.
I really wonder what type I am.
She's a chick. So, any words? Do you think about the experiment?
This is going to be fucked in the bum. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
We'll see if bending the points inwards will make a sound.
Okay. This is Jamie trying to sound like a bird. That's a very strange sound.
Any birds looking at me? No. Damn.
So is that experiment complete?
I think this is a massive